Well, I see we've entered the giggle zone.
Well, yeah, this is kind of embarrassing.
It's, private stuff.
Absolutely right. Private. And it's perfectly fine to squirm and giggle at first because all this makes you uncomfortable. But these parts of the body are what continues life on this planet. And you'd be much better off, much safer, if you know how they work. So, have we passed through the giggle zone?
Yeah, I guess so.
Then here we go. The female half of the human life machine manufactures a cell called the egg that carries half of the instructions for a new baby. The male half manufactures many smaller cells that each carry the other half of the instructions. Each one is called a sperm cell. Human life forms only if these two cells meet and mix their instructions together. The female half of the machinery does even more, because it's here that the meeting takes place and the new life develops. See, this is an ovary. One in a set of two. A new egg is released from one or the other ovary every 28 days or so. It travels down this tube called the fallopian tube. The egg lands in the lining of this, the uterus. If the egg has met a sperm along the way, the lining will serve as a nice soft bed of nutrients, and the egg and sperm develop into a baby. If the egg doesn't meet a sperm, it and the lining pass out of the body through the vagina.
Dr. D, got a minute here to...
Not right now. We're on our way to see the male half of the machine. Things are very different here. This is a testicle. Also one in a set of two. They manufacture the sperm cells. Only instead of making one at a time, the testicles are constantly making millions of them. The sperm cells can leave the male's body by traveling through this tube and out the penis. And that's the human life machine. Each part ready to do its job. Pretty well designed, huh? Huh? Doesn't make sense yet, huh?
No, there are two separate parts.
How do the sperm and the egg meet?
These kids ask the best questions. Now there's a design problem for you. How would you get the sperm and the egg to meet in the fallopian tube?
Well, the egg is already there.
Somehow the sperm cells have to enter the female's body.
Correct. And here's how the human life machine is beautifully designed so that can happen. If the male and female are in love and are old enough to start a family, meaning they are mature enough and secure the huge responsibilities that come along with a new baby, phew, and they can handle the hard work too, then they might look at each other with a special kind of attraction in their eyes. The attraction of one sex for the other, and the machinery starts up. Hearts beat faster, breathing quickens. In the male, the penis becomes straight and hard, called